Welcome to my video about Tokyo Station, a major railway station located in the Marunouchi business district in Tokyo, Japan. It serves as a hub for many of Japan's shinkansen, bullet train, lines, as well as several conventional railway lines. Tokyo Station was first built in 1914, during the Meiji period, as the central railway station for Tokyo. The station was designed by architect Tatsuno Kingo, who also designed several other notable buildings in Tokyo, including the Bank of Japan building and the Tokyo National Museum. The original Tokyo Station building was a magnificent structure made of brick and stone, with a grand entrance hall and a distinctive red brick facade. It was designed to symbolize Japan's modernization and progress, as the country was rapidly industrializing during the Meiji period. However, during World War II, Tokyo Station was heavily damaged by bombing raids, and the original building was almost completely destroyed. After the war, the station was rebuilt in a more modern style, with a functional but less ornate design. The new station was completed in 1947. Over the years, Tokyo Station has undergone several renovations and expansions to accommodate the growing number of commuters and travelers passing through the station. In the 1980s, the station underwent a major renovation to modernize its facilities and improve accessibility. The Marunouchi building, which had been neglected for many years, was also restored to its former glory and designated as an important cultural property of Japan. In recent years, Tokyo Station has continued to evolve and adapt to the changing needs of its users. In 2012, the station opened the Tokyo Station City Complex, which includes a large shopping and dining area, as well as office space and a hotel. The complex has become a popular destination for both travelers and locals. Today, Tokyo Station is a bustling transportation hub and a landmark of Tokyo, serving millions of passengers each year. Despite its many changes over the years, it remains an important symbol of Japan's modernization and progress, as well as a testament to the resilience of the Japanese people in the face of adversity. As one of the busiest railway stations in Japan, Tokyo Station serves as a major transportation hub for both local and long-distance trains. The station is served by several shinkansen, bullet train, lines, including the Tokaido, Tohoku, Joetsu, Hokuriku, and Akita lines, which connect the city to other major destinations throughout Japan. In addition, Tokyo Station also serves several conventional railway lines, such as the Chuo, Sobu, Yamanote, Keihin-Tohoku, and Yokosuka lines, as well as many local trains that serve the greater Tokyo area. The Tokyo Station building is known for its architectural features, including the original building's red brick facade, grand entrance hall, and central dome. Designed by Tatsuno Kingo, the building was influenced by European architecture, particularly the Renaissance and Baroque styles. After the original building was destroyed during World War II, the station was rebuilt in a more modern style with a minimalist aesthetic, but some elements of the original building were preserved, such as the iconic central dome and red brick facade. The central dome is made of steel and glass and is designed to let in natural light, and it has become a popular spot for photographers. The Tokyo Station building also includes the adjacent Marunouchi building, which was restored to its former glory and designated as an important cultural property of Japan. There are several famous sweets that can be found in Tokyo Station. Here are some of the most popular ones. Tokyo Banana. Perhaps the most famous sweet associated with Tokyo Station is the Tokyo Banana. These individually wrapped sponge cakes are filled with a banana-flavored custard cream and are shaped like a banana. They are sold in many souvenir shops throughout the station and are a popular gift for visitors to bring home. R.L Waffle Cake. The R.L Waffle Cake is a popular sweet that can be found in Tokyo Station's Ichibangai shopping area. These waffle-like cakes are filled with a variety of sweet and savory fillings, including red bean paste, cheese, and chocolate. They are cooked to order and served warm, making them a delicious and comforting treat on a chilly day. Tokyo Milk Cheese Factory. The Tokyo Milk Cheese Factory is a popular confectionery chain that has a store in Tokyo Station's Grandsta shopping area. They are known for their rich and buttery cheese cookies, which are made with a blend of Hokkaido cheese and milk. They also offer a variety of other sweets, including caramel popcorn and cheesecake. Kit Kat Chocolatory. Finally, the Kit Kat Chocolatory is a specialty store that can be found in Tokyo Station's Grandsta shopping area. Here, visitors can create their own custom Kit Kat bars by choosing from a variety of flavors and toppings. The store also offers a selection of exclusive flavors that can only be found at the Chocolatory, such as matcha green tea and strawberry maple. These are just a few examples of the many delicious sweets that can be found in Tokyo Station. Whether you're looking for a quick snack or a special souvenir, there is sure to be a sweet treat that will satisfy your cravings. Here are the steps to get from Haneda Airport to Tokyo Station. Take the Tokyo monorail from Haneda Airport to Hamamatsucho Station. 1. The Tokyo monorail is a train that connects Haneda Airport to the city center. You can find the monorail station inside the airport terminals. 2. Take the monorail to Hamamatsucho Station, which is a major transportation hub in Tokyo. The ride takes approximately 13 minutes. Transfer to the Yamanote line at Hamamatsucho Station. 1. From Hamamatsucho Station, transfer to the Yamanote line, which is a circular train line that connects many of Tokyo's major stations, including Tokyo Station. 2. You can access the Yamanote line by following the signs inside the station. The transfer should take less than 10 minutes. Take the Yamanote line to Tokyo Station. 1. Once you are on the Yamanote line, take it in the direction of Tokyo Station. The ride should take approximately 5 minutes. 2. When you arrive at Tokyo Station, follow the signs to the appropriate exit for your destination. The station is quite large, so it's important to know which exit you need to take. Total travel time from Haneda Airport to Tokyo Station should be around 30 to 40 minutes, depending on the time of day and any potential delays. That was my video about Tokyo Station. I hope you enjoyed learning about its fascinating history and impressive architecture. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.